In this lecture, we will discuss how does innovation drive economic growth, mechanism through which innovation drive growth. Number one, encourages productivity. Innovation allows for a more efficient use of resources, enabling greater output from the same of the fewer inputs. For example, advances in automation and AI, artificial intelligence, have led to significant productivity gains in sectors from manufacturing to services. Number two, creates new industries and markets. Innovation expands economies by creating entirely new products, services, and industries. The digital revolution, for instance, created new sectors like e-commerce, fintech, and social media, which stimulated investment and diversify the economy. Number three, promotes competition and entrepreneurship. Innovative new firms forcing existing firms to improve their product and lower cost. This competitive pressure fosters a cycle of innovation and is vital for a dynamic economy. Next, generate high-value employment. While innovation may displace some jobs, it creates new high-value jobs that require advanced skills, increasing overall economic status and living standard. Next, address societal challenges. Innovation is critical for tackling structural problems like resource scarcity, climate change, and public health. For example, green technology reduces environmental harm. Innovation in the Indian context. Key drivers of India's innovation ecosystem. Number of government initiatives. Schemes like Digital India, Startup India, and the Adult Innovation Mission have created a supportive environment for tech innovation and entrepreneurship. Number two, thriving startup culture. India is one of the largest startup ecosystem in the world, which have significant number of unicorns. Startup valued over $1 billion. Sectors like fintech, healthcare, and edtech are at the forefront at this growth. Digital public infrastructure. Innovations like the Unified Payment Interface (UPI) have revolutionized financial inclusion and digital payment. This digital infrastructure can drive growth. Next, academia industry collaboration. Efforts to bridge the gap between academia research and the commercial applications are increasing with initiatives like Research Park at the IITs. Challenges hindering innovation in India. Number one, low research and development spending. India's research and development expenditure as a percentage of GDP is significantly lower than that of developed economies, particularly in the private sector. Number two, skill gap. A mismatch exists between the skill of the workforce and the demand of the emerging technologies like data science and AI, hindering innovation. Number three, commercialization gap. There is a significant gap between the generation of parents and their successful commercialization. Many grassroots innovations fail to scale up due to lack of market access. Next, access to risk capital. Funding remains a challenge, particularly for deep tech and hardware startups. Institutional investors participate in early stage funding is limited. Regulatory hurdles. Despite improvement in the ease of doing business, regulatory complexities and hurdles persist, especially in newer tech areas, hampering rapid innovation. Way forward and policy measures for India. Number one, increase research and development expenditure. Implement targeted incentives for research and development in private sector and increase public research and development spending to meet a clear target such as 2% of the GDP. Number two, strengthen academia industry linkage. Mandate public-private partnership for research and development. Establish more innovation centers in education institutions and bring industry expert into academia. Number three, enhance access to risk capital. Create specialized funds for high risk, high impact innovations and facilitate easier listing of innovative startups on stock exchange. Number four, need to address skill gap. Launch national missions to skill the workforce in the emerging technologies and use AI powered system to forecast future skill needs. Number five, improve regulatory environment. Implement a regulatory sandbox approach to test new technologies and streamline process to lower compliance burdens for startups. Thanks for watching this video.